All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to be looking at the Tudia Merge lineup for the OnePlus 10 Pro. So Tudia was nice enough to send me over the complete color lineup for this device. And this is the packaging that it comes in, just like this. So we're going to try on each one of the colors here, just to show you how it will look. And obviously, if you have a black phone, all of them are going to look great probably. But as you can see here, I have the green color. So this is what it's going to look like for some people that have the green color. So dual layer protection, obviously clicky buttons, and mild or military grade, standard 810G. So, and I already know this, but that is how these cases come. So it's gonna throw this packaging away. Very simple packaging, nothing fancy, just gets it on for you. So here is the particular case in this rose gold color. Comes in 4 colors, but here is the case. Now, one thing I like about the cases for the OnePlus 10 Pro is, here's my case I've been wearing since day one, but I like that cases are cutting off this black portion over here and kind of covering that up. I really like the way that looks and bringing forward just the little squared out area there. But volume rocker, power button, alert slider, and you've got some branding on the inside, letting you know they're designed in the US, made in China, Tudia products. You got these little air pockets all around the case. They go all around the top and sides and bottom. And then this is what the case is going to look like. So let's pop it on here. Now these cases completely transform the color of your device. You only would know it was green if you come over to the alert slider. But other than that, let's check out the buttons here. Nice and clicky. There we go. Volume rocker. Very tight. Very nice. Yep, very nice, very nice. You can access the alert slider really easy. And let me grab a wireless charger here. Got some power. Let's see what happens here. There we go. As you can see, it is charging. It's telling me to center it on the pad, but it did come on immediately right there. So it does work with wireless charging. Surprisingly enough, it does work. And it's fully charged, but you can see the battery is turning green there. So that lets you know it does work. So wireless charging works with all these cases here. So this is what the rose gold is going to look like if you decide to get the rose gold. So let's pop this one off here. And then we'll go on to this blue color here. This is the bluer color. This is one of their newest. This is actually the latest color. This blue one right here. This one is a very beautiful color. In person, it looks really, really good. So I think you'll really like this case right here, and this color in person if you decide. And really, now that I'm looking at it, really doesn't matter which color device you have, because this case pretty much covers every last bit of it. And if we didn't have an alert slider, you wouldn't know what color this case was. Yeah, pretty nice. You can see all the cutouts and everything on the device all line up perfectly. And this is what you would expect. Because why? They fit it for the device. Let me clean up the rest of the camera here so you can see all that nice Hasselblad branding right there. All right, so now let's go to the silver version here. Pretty nice. And at this point, folks, this is just a show and tell to show you all the colors here so you can see exactly what they are looking like. Really nice. Again, you can buy your favorite color. Now that I have it on the device, you can buy your favorite color. It doesn't matter which color device you have, because this phone case pretty much covers up the entire case, the color of the device. So there's the silver, really nice. And again, it does work with wireless charging, depending on how you're positioning the device. So here's the one that most people will probably buy, no matter which color they have. If you have the green one, I would just say, this probably looks the best to me, this solid black one. But with the color combination, they all look great. But with the color combination, obviously the black is, black goes with everything. So you can see a little hint of the green with this black one on. It looks like it probably like that on the other one, so I just didn't notice. But I see a little hint around there. But the camera is nicely recessed in there, folks, with no problems whatsoever. So there you have it, man. A complete case lineup for you with the Tudia's Merge series. Tudia Merge series is probably their best, or probably one of the only ones they're selling the most of here nowadays. This is just a strong, rugged style case, but still very lightweight, and it's not a bulky case at all, even though it's a drop protection case. It's pretty strange, but when you feel it in hand, you're gonna say, whoa, that does feel good. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Tudia for swinging over the cases to me. I appreciate you, Sam. And I'll see you in the next video. Link for these are down below. Take care.